Made me allergic, plus heart problems. Yo, what's up? It's someone that's not one, and welcome back to today's report. Today's report is coming from AriOffDrugs.com, where they took the substance Formoterol, and here's the full report details. Alright, so here we are covering the substance Formoterol. This substance came up on the Patreon some time ago. It's partially an ingredient alongside budesonide, I believe. But if you don't know, commonly this is prescribed for asthma, or possibly another condition that will restrict breathing at times. It acts as a bronchodilator, meaning it helps to open up the lungs more to allow for easier breathing. And there are a good handful of different kinds of asthma medication. Formoterol specifically is a long-acting beta-adrenal receptor agonist, which means it has a long-lasting effect when it opens the lungs. Formoterol does stand out though, as while it is long-acting, it will act rapidly and provide fast relief. But for today's report and the problems brought up, it will be considered somewhat atypical. There's no known association, I believe, where Formoterol can give you allergies. In this case, a weed allergy. Now, I'm not an allergist, so maybe there is more of an explanation to be found there, as weed allergies can cause asthma attacks themselves, so possibly a relation. But there is some research on cardiovascular concern, though most have concluded that it's not that significant. Everyone is different though, and we don't know exactly everything this person went through and their bodily set. Either way, this report will shed some light on this substance, and even if something appears to be fully good and not have very many bad effects reported, it still is very much possible it may just not be right for you. So with that, I'm sure you'll enjoy this. Without further ado, let's dive right into this. Faradil Aerolyzer, Formoterol for asthma maintenance. Very effective for controlling asthma, but side effects almost kill me. After a few months, I became allergic to wheat. I would get attacks that would double my heart rate and reduce my blood pressure to half. Also, I felt so weak that I could hardly stand up. Went to a heart specialist and all kinds of tests. They could not find anything wrong with my heart. After getting off this medication, no more problems with wheat. Note, I also experienced the same thing with Asthma Next Twist Haler. Rating, 3 out of 10.